Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Calendar to Slack, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your schedule right within your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Google Calendar seamlessly integrated into Slack, allowing you to receive reminders, create events, and manage your calendar without switching between apps. So let's dive into the process. Before we get started, it's important to understand why this integration is so powerful. If you're someone who juggles meetings, deadlines, or collaborative projects, having your calendar inside Slack ensures you never miss important notifications. It also reduces app switching, which can boost your productivity throughout the day. To get started, you'll need to install the Google Calendar app in Slack. Open your Slack desktop app or log in through a web browser. On the left side, you'll notice the sidebar containing various sections, including one labeled Apps. This is where you'll find and add new apps to your Slack workspace. To proceed, locate either the plus sign or simply click on the app's header to enter the app directory. Once inside, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in Google Calendar, and you'll see the official Google Calendar app listing appear in the results. Click on that listing. Next, you'll want to add Google Calendar to Slack. Simply click the Add to Slack button, which you'll find on the Apps page. This action will redirect you to an external browser window, where you'll handle the authorization process. At this stage, you're almost halfway there. In the newly opened browser window, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for Google Calendar to access your Slack workspace. Click Allow when prompted. This ensures that Google Calendar can function correctly within Slack and offer you the best experience possible. After granting these permissions, you'll be asked to select a Google account you intend to sync. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Otherwise, simply select the account that holds the calendar you want to link. Following this, you'll need to confirm access, giving Slack permission to view and interact with your calendar. Don't worry, this step is crucial as it allows Slack to fetch your upcoming events and send notifications directly to you. Now that those permissions are sorted, you'll be redirected back to Slack. Check the sidebar again under the section labeled Apps, and you'll notice that Google Calendar has been successfully added to your workspace. From here on out, you can interact with your calendar right from Slack. Consider setting up notifications for upcoming meetings or events to get timely reminders, and experiment with creating or managing events directly within Slack to streamline your workflow. Another helpful feature is automatic status updates. Slack can automatically set your status to in a meeting based on your Google Calendar, making communication easier for your teammates without any manual updates. That's all it takes to link Google Calendar to Slack. You've now integrated two powerful tools. Simplified, I hate the right size and grasp in the face. Turn my calendar and continue to deal with both of them. Now look at the Slack as the right to say, that's the right to me, and not actively make your life look like a topic. That's it. Listen to our podcast. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other integrations and features to tailor your Slack workspace even further. Happy scheduling. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop a comment below if there's another Slack integration you'd like me to cover.